Welcome to this video where I'm going to share 25 free creative resources for you to use for your next design, social media posts, and all of the things. So if you're ready to, Miko is eating his bun, if you're ready to get some free stuff to create amazing things, keep watching. If it's the first time you land on my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Justine Leymer. On YouTube, I love to talk about graphic design, business, and social media. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate it. If sometimes you want to see this cutie pie, subscribe. Alright, now we're going to take my computer and I have 25 websites that are free to use and I wanted to share with you because this is some kind of treasure. All of those websites are free stuff that you can get, but there's also paid stuff that you can get. So it all depends on what you're looking for. If you have a little bit of budget, you can get those paid products. If you are not and you're starting and you want to get free things to build your portfolio or whatever you're thinking of, you can. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to screen record. We got my computer over there. How you guys doing? What's up? What is new with you? Let me know down below. New screen recording, record, here we are. Let's get into free resources number 1 for your creative mind. And the first one is Canva Colors. So I'm gonna click on it and I'm going to explain a little bit what it is. So you can either log in or sign up on Canva. Canva is graphic design software. It makes graphic design easy if you have no idea what you're doing at first, and it's really good. This is a very powerful tool. So colors, it says find the perfect color tools and resources for any project. So basically with Canva Color you can color palette generate, so you can generate a color palette, you can get some ideas of color palette for your clients or for yourself. You have the color wheel and you also have the meanings of colors. So if you watch my videos about branding yourself or how to start the brainstorming of personal brand and things, you will know that you have to know color psychology, and so in Canva Colors you have some kind of color meaning. So I invite you to go and check it out. Then in my awesome folder we have the number 2, which is free fonts and typefaces. Due to technical difficulties, we are going to use my phone for this second website. So we are going to talk about Fontaine. So Fontaine, I'm recording my screen right now, is a website where you can find amazing fonts. So as I was saying earlier, it's either paid or free, so you can find some free amazing fonts that are free to use commercially or free to use personally. So for your own design, you cannot sell them. And there is some paid one. The Hooligan font is free for commercial use, so you can use it in logo for your clients and all of that. So that is pretty awesome. Okay, so the next one out there, so number 3 will be Creative Fabrica. On this website you have some freebies and you can find free font, free SFGs, free graphics, and free embroidery. So let's go into free graphics to show you quick what you can get for free. All of those graphics, all of those elements are free to use and you can download and use them. You also have some really cool free fonts on this website, so I invite you to go check it out. Number 4 will be Icon 8. Go on their website, have access to icons, photos, illustration, and music. So once again, some of them are free and some of them you have to pay for them. So popular now, let's do YouTube and look at those cute icons you can get to put on your website, or you can use those icons to customize your iPhone. Font bundles. You also have graphic bundles.net if you are interested about it. Here you have access to some pay font and free ones. If you tap free fonts, here you have access to some free fonts. Design bundles. How can I get so wrong? So it's design bundles. So let me add this to our creative resources. done. So it's 26 free creative resources, you guys. So the next on the list is Color Picker. I love Color Picker. So if you are struggling with finding the X color or the RGB of a picture, and from there you can select the color that you would like to know the X color or the RGB numbers, and you will get them. Very powerful tool. Our next on the list is Giphy. Do I need seriously to talk about this one? We're gonna go briefly. Giphy is awesome, you guys. I even have an account, Justine Lamer, if you are looking for crazy little GIF. I love it. I'll make some if you guys wanna look me up on there. But yeah, Giphy, if you don't know it, you can find stickers, text, GIFs. Those are the GIF of dogs, or you have some stickers. So the stickers are GIF without background, so with a transparent background. Alright, for the next free creative resources I found online, we're going to go fast because what I'm about to share with you are free stock photography and video. The first one, and this is by far my favorite one ever, is Pexels. Pexels, man, it's awesome. You can find so many amazing free stock photos and videos. This is where I find all of my video background for my Instagram stories, for my Instagram posts. You guys, so you know, I will link all of those websites down below for you to find them quickly. Alright, the next one in this category will be Raw Pixel. Raw Pixel, you guys, so good. On this you have free stock images, you have mockups, icons, PNG, free stock photos. We have Burst Shopify.com, and that's the same. If I tap a laptop, you can download free high resolution pictures for your content. Let's keep on going. So that was Burst. Now we also have Gratisography, and here you have some pretty cool pictures of cute laptop. The next one in this category is Focus Stock. Pretty much the same, you guys. Here you have some category: workspace, spring, city, abstract, sunset. You guys can check it out. Well, I can talk about Behance. Love that. So this website is a part of Adobe. Basically, on this you can find some free images, but basically you can find some project mockups. I invite you to check Behance as well. Okay, let's keep on going. That was all about our free stock, I think, free stock image. So if you are a video editor and you make some video for YouTube or your Reels or whatever, and you are using software like Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro, Mixkit is the way to go. Mixkit give you free assets for your next video project. So let's go to Premiere Pro because this is what I am using. And so you can get some titles, slideshow, graphic elements. There you go. Openers, transitions, titles, logo, lower third. So it's like all the titles, slideshow, calls out, Instagram, YouTube, and all of that. So love it. After Mixkit, we do have Pixar. If you are familiar with the app, welcome into the desktop version. So you can edit anything on the Pixar app, and so you can edit anything on the desktop. Alright, let's keep on going with the next one, which is Subtitle Translator. So this website is made for you to translate your videos or whatever you need to translate, your blog post or any kind of content. Next, Noun Project. So Noun Project, it's like Icons 8. You can find some icons or some photos for free. Next one on our list is Dafont. You guys, you must know Dafont already. You can get all of those cute fonts designed by amazing people for free. So here on the side, it tells you free for personal use. So if you are creating stuff for you own, for you sell, you can download and use it on your project. Adobe Color. So it's like the Canva color. You can use Adobe Color for so many things. You have the color wheel, the extract theme. So it's like the color pick. You are bringing an image into Adobe Color and it will create a color palette out of this image, and you will be able to pick whatever color you want on that picture. You also have the extract gradient. So same, bring your gradient here and you will extract the gradient for you. And you have some accessibility tools like color wheel. Almost done. That's a lot of, that's 25 creative resources. So yeah, that's quite a lot. Okay, next we have Bitly. Let me know how you pronounce it. You have a really long URL that you want to shorten, so you bring this URL over here. It will make something really short for you to use into your link in bio and everything. We have Creative Market. This is like on Creative Fabrica or font bundles or design bundles. This is Creative Market. I love Creative Market. I spend a lot of time on Creative Market. You can find some free font. You can find everything that you are thinking of on graphics, icon, illustration, objects. There's some are for free and there's some that you have to pay for. Those artists are wonderful, and if you have a little bit of budget to buy from them, just go for it. Then we have a QR code generator, really good. It's like Bitly, but for QR codes. So I use that for designs for my clients and put the URL of whatever blog post or events that needs to be put on a design, and I add a QR code because that's easier for people to just scan them on the phone and they bring them directly. The next one is Skillshare. That is not free, but you do have a free trial of 14 days. Just so you know, Skillshare is awesome if you want to learn new things. You guys, there's tons of classes on this, so go check it out, do the free trial, see if you like it. If you want to learn a new project, a new skill, that is the way to go. Next we have Graphic Burger. I love Graphic Burger. So if you are into graphic design and showing up your work, you have tons of free mockups. And the last one, you guys, is hashtag stack. It generates some hashtags and it tells you, let me see, if I do digital illustration, there you go. Here from Digital Illustration, it will tell you how many posts has been made and the number of likes for each one and the comments and all of that. So you can definitely make a strategy using hashtag stack. I think this is really awesome. I think you have a limited time of search per day. All right, guys. We're done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you learn a new website and you're super excited about it and you're going to use them now every day, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to know more, because we are about to make so much more videos about graphic design and free resources and all of those cool stuff. So yeah, I will see you next Friday. Thank you so much again. Until next time, take care. Bye.